your everybody voice should be recorded. You have to speak confidently, fluently, and fearlessly. You have to put your impression over your speech, right? 1 minute or 2 minutes hardly. You have to speak on the topic of how to earn respect, how to be respected confidently. As I'm using my hand language, hand gesture, posture, facial expression, I am going to put hands to maintain my expression, to maintain my impression, to maintain my influence towards the people. Similarly, you have to put and maintain, right? 1 minute you have to speak, and your topic should be started with beautiful greeting. Like, good morning, everybody. Mr. Anas in front of you. Thank you very much for having me here. I would like to thank you, my teachers, and all my batchmates who have given me this beautiful chance to speak something. Today, I'm standing to present a topic, beautiful topic, that is how to earn respect. My topic is beginning right now. Understood? So from this greeting, you have to start first, Anas. You should start now. Speak louder. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. Now you should speak louder and confident while using your hand language.
So, good morning everyone. Thank you so much for having me here. And thank you so much Shambhu sir for giving me this opportunity. And the topic which I'm going to talk about is very important and everybody must understand this. That to start with, everybody wants to be respected. But as we know that everything has its cost. Like for money, talent is required. If you want to become successful, discipline must be there. As same as everything, the respect is also takes one thing, which is behavior. Your behavior towards everyone decides how much respect you are going to gain. And to gain the respect, it is very much important that we must understand this. The kindness is the very required part of this, because it's said that whatever you give, you receive. If you will give respect to others, definitely others will give respect to you. So to gain the respect, it is a must that you should be respected toward your elders and kind towards your youngers. No one should be hesitated by your presence. No one should feel fear by your presence, because respect is not about to scare everyone. Respect is about to, when you have entered in the room, everybody should be like in the warm situation, should be like that the person is here now, will be fine definitely. So when I was observing the people, when I got read about it, I just got to know that three things which is required to gain the respect is kindness should be there. The second thing is knowledge is very much required, because if somebody will ask you something, then definitely you should have the answer of it. And the next one is, and I consider it very important, that discipline must be there. If you are not disciplined, then definitely you will lack so much in your life, and this will lose you the respect. Thank you so much.
Great. You should speak. Speak louder. How to earn respect? How to become respected?
Good morning, all of you. My name is Mustafa Malik. I would like to about topic.
Speak more louder. As I am speaking.
I would like to about topic. Topic is
How to earn respect.
how to earn respect. As you know that respect is the very important part for each and everyone. Everyone want to get respect for your for himself or herself. So respect, how will we earn the respect? If we will respect to our elders, so automatically your youngers will respect you, or another person will respect you very easily. So and if you have to show your politeness, you have to show your kindness, you have to show your body language if you want to earn the respect too much. If you can if
Okay, great. Next, again, try to think another statement. You should also try to think another statement. and you beautify your presentation, whether you have got an only 1 minute chance to speak. As I am speaking, here I know very well that just camera is going on, right? I am being recorded here. I know very well, but there is no any differences in my mind that something is going to happen with me special. I'm very common. I'm spontaneous here. So spontaneously you have to speak. Why it is going to be coded to you right now? What maybe reason can that? Just you must have that power, that confidence to face any camera, to face people, and to face even gathering, to face crowds, to face number of faces. You must have this power. You must have this capacity to face. You must have this guts. You must have this encouragement to face a different face. Next, Yogesh.
So, good morning to all of you. I am Yogesh.
Louder and clear.
Good morning to all of you. I am Yogesh in front of you. Thank you first, sir, who has given me this significant opportunity to express my feeling and about my topic, how we earn respect.
Yes.
So, according to my opinion, everyone knows respect and everyone get respect. So, if we give respect another person, so definitely will come return and they give respect. So some exceptions, little bit people we don't give respect.
Few people don't give respect.
Don't give respect. So we can't tell about them, but we give respect. So definitely respected and
Returns.
return for us. If we earn we earn respect, we know any person gave like a for dowry. No, you मतलब दहेज में नहीं मिलती ये चीजें.
What? Dherej?
दहेज में रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलती.
Okay. Respect couldn't be earned
Respect couldn't be earned
with dowry.
with dowry. इसे कमाना पड़ता है.
It should be earned.
It should be earned.
It has to be earned.
It has to be earned. So if we are living our family or our family, if we have no any skills, no have any knowledge, so in front of people and our brothers, sister and neighbors, we don't give respect. So if we give respect, if we earn respect, so we have earned to so much knowledge, then every people give respect.
Every person
Gives
you respect.
gives you respect. If we help others without any reason, so definitely a lots of people give respect.
Very good.
Thank you.
Next one, you should. Louder and clear.
Hello everyone, this is Afzal Khan in front of you, and today my topic is about how to earn respect. And thank you for my classmates who giving, and thank you Sambhu sir who giving me chance
To speak something
about
about-
how to learn, how to earn respect.
Hmm.
So respect is very important for every person, because we know we are human, and in our society every person want more respectful in his life, because we work hard and we do everything because we want to be a good person in our life, and we want more respect from the people.
Look in front of everybody.
We want more.
There. And then try to speak.
We want more respect from the people, and for that we do everything for our family. We work hard and we learn. We try to enhance our knowledge, because there's so many people who ask you if they are struggling with anything, and they want to ask something from you, and they know that you are not more capable and you have answer of their problem, so you can answer easily because you have gained the knowledge about them. about it. So it is very important, and people will respect you whenever you get knowledge, and you will learn in your life. So everyone will respect you. So respect is very important for every person, because if you are in any company and you are working, and you are not working truly, and you are not working as a harder uh, according to your capacity, and if you're working properly and you're giving your time, the life is very important for you. Every person wants to earn these things in his life, and uh, because life is very important, and you are giving precious time of your life to work harder to gain some money, and you are earning there. So in your company and your management, they see that this person is working hard, and so you in their mind, you are more respectful person for them. So according to the family, if you see, if we respect everyone, so our children or our family see, and the people around, they comment to your family that your boy or your girl is very respectful and he is more knowledgeable than us. So it is very important for the family that to hurt these kind of things, that our uh, boy or girl in his family, in our family, who is more respectful person because of the gaining of the knowledge or learning. That's it. Thank you.
He has put his very great effort to speak, and louder he is just speaking. A small clapping for him. Next, you should speak louder and clearly, and just say in front of everybody.
Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak in front of you. And my topic is that how to earn respect. And as we know that many of people earn money with his respect, because they know the value of respect. Because if you go in any crowd, so you must have ability to face the crowd. Because if you do unique thing out the crowd, so you will always appreciate for them those people who will respect you. Because if you are expensive for those people, so you will get respect very easily. And I want to say that how to earn respect by your knowledge. And there is main criteria of the silence. Because if you silence that area, you shouldn't speak where you think that there is no any good you there is no any good for speak me. If you get chance to speak in front of people and crowd, you know very well that why it is useful for me, so you will always speak. Because if you speak less and speak well, so you will always get respect by people.
बहुत अच्छा, very good.
Because people don't think about your quantity, people think about the quality. Because if you have a ability, you have a quality, so you will always expensive for the crowd. That's it.
His content is very magnificent and fantastic. Clapping for him also. I like your content. Next, you should speak. Come in front of everybody and see ahead and try to speak confidently and louder.
Good morning.
Good morning to everybody.
Good morning to everybody, and I would like to share my opinion about how to earn respect. And as we know that everybody is everybody wants to earn respect, but everybody don't know that
Doesn't know.
that if we give respect, then
We get respect.
we get respect. And so everybody wants to get respect. And
You are speaking well. So how are you feeling standing here to speak about your topic?
so
Because just I'm asking that how are you feeling while standing there and for speaking? Speak louder.
Speak.
Speak that how are you feeling?
so but
Sir, ask the question. How are you feeling?
How are you feeling?
Try to speak in camera, in front of the camera.
Okay, fantastic. Next one, you should speak. This is a beautiful chance. Just maintain your body gesture because you are in camera, and after sometimes you will see yourself that how I was standing in front of cameras, how I was watching, how I was maintaining my facial expression in front of cameras. After sometimes you will see yourself. Right? So again, I'm requesting and appealing to my all students, become very normal, cool. It's not new special things which are happening with you. It's very common. It's your own duty. It's your spontaneous duty. It's your daily routine. It's your own job which you are doing, which you have to do in front of people. Fighting with challenge, facing the varieties of faces. These are not your special works and duties. These are your regular duties. These are your natural duties. Must be there in your feeling. If something is happening new for you, means if you are being recorded, in that situation you are feeling yourself that is something recorded, what would be there, how people will call me, how people will observe me, you will be abnormal. Become normal in front of camera. Next chance, who is left now? You should.
Good morning, everybody. My name
Speak
is
louder and see in front of camera.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Farhan. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Little more louder.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak my topic, and my topic is how to earn respect. So in this era, everyone wants to earn respect because he know very well.
He knows very well.
He knows very well what is importance of respect. So if you do respect for your elder, and definitely you will get respect from your younger, and respect कमान मतलब respect
तेज बोलो बेटा, louder.
सर respect बहुत सालों में कमाई जाती है.
Okay, it takes time
It takes time
in earning respect.
And respect सर जाने में बहुत 1 सेकंड लगता है.
And it loses
It loses
immediately.
So if you firstly you get education, so you do hard work in your field, so you definitely get success in your life, and if you get success, so you can earn respect.
Fantastic. Sahichi, you should have speak. Just come here. Just come here. And then try to speak in front of camera. Is it being recorded, better?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, all of
You
you.
should come.
I am having a here wonderful opportunity to given by sir. My topic is the earn respects.
How to earn respect?
How to earn respects. But first of all, according to why are you earn respects?
Why do you want to earn respect?
Why do you want to
Earn respect.
earn respects? Respect is the very significant now. But everybody's needs to respect. But what are you gives your respects? Get your respects. Still, everybody's are honor and the respects. Everybody's are doing everything. Take the
Everybody
respect. Everybody is take the respects.
is taking respect.
It is taking respects. Why? But still, everyone's only for needs of the respects. Reason that every persons are doing in your words. But first of all, everyone's are talk about that persons are respectable. That persons are listen that points. But few persons are only for respectable. Reason that persons are not earn money. That persons only for earning in the respects. But respects not a purchasing the with money.
Respect can't be purchased
Respect can be purchased
by money.
by money. Respects only for earning the more things. You are doing the work well, definitely
You can get respect.
you can get respect. That's
Fantastic. He is trying to speak very well. So now this is time to conclude your season of your public speaking. So I would like to know from you that while standing, while getting this new session as you do every day, today you did something different, right? So how did you feel to get this chance to speak? How it was session?
This session was, I consider that as of now, they are my competitors. My competitor was standing beside me, so it was very helpful to express myself better. That I was considering that if I wouldn't be perform better, then definitely other people gonna win. So it gives me another kind of curiosity, another kind of motivation to speak well.
Speak more stressful. It gives me more curiosity.
It gives me more curiosity and definitely more motivation to speak better in front of the people.
Okay, how did you feel? Means to get this new session.
Thank you, sir. I know very well if I speak here in front of the camera, so I will get respect by my friend because I will show my video for my friends. He will tell, yeah, you speak very well in class. So it means that it is session is very good for me because I can earn respect by this camera because everyone in my classmate is there. So he know very well how am I speak. If I speak well,
How I am speaking?
how I am speaking. If I speak well, so you will always respect me. Yes, you speak very well. So you will try to know knowledge about me. If I don't speak very well, so you will not respect me because you think that you are also intelligent in English. So you will not respect me. If I speak well, so you will always respect me.
Fantastic. How do you feel to get this new session?
Thank you, Sir. You are giving me this chance to represent my thoughts. So, according to me, this is new to me, new to us, and we have learned a lot of things. We increasing my motivation, and we think about a lots of material, and we learn a lot of things. Thank you.
A question is there in front of you. How to earn respect? First, greeting and your presentation. How to get respect? How to earn respect? How to become respected? Get little back and sit there.
Hello everyone, it is
Louder.
Hello everyone, my name is Alicia and it is a pleasure to see you all today. And today's my topic is how to
Earn respect.
unrespected.
How to become respected.
How to become respected. So if you do good work, if you do good work, so people give you respect. If you give respect people, so people always want respect. But your sir आपकी जो behavior अच्छा नहीं होगा.
If your behavior is not good,
If your behavior is not good. If your behavior is not good, so people can't give you respect, and he tears you, and people मतलब परेशान करने लगते.
people start troubling you.
People start troubling you.
Great, you should come. Stop.